Remove the two screws on the upper side of the cartridge. Remove the plastic cover. Remove the two springs of the wiper blade. Remove the two screws of the waste toner collector. Remove the toner collector on the side of the cartridge. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the metal plate. Do the same on the other part of the unit. Remove this plastic part. Remove the cable. Remove the screw. Remove the fuse assembly. Remove the screw of the wiper blade. Remove the screw. Remove the sensor. Unlock this pin. Unlock the other pin. Remove the waste toner container. This part of the unit contains a waste toner. Remove the toner container on it. Remove the wiper blade. Unlock the 2 pins on the side of the blade. The wiper blade is probably reusable. Check for nicks, look for wear, then clean it with a soft cloth. Remove the spring. Slide forward the white plastic part and remove it. Remove the spring. Remove the black plastic part. Remove the white bushing. Remove the black bushing. To remove the belt, you have to put it straight, then slide it out of the unit from the side. On one edge of the belt there is a rubber. Insert the belt on the side of the unit. Insert the side of the belt without the rubber. If you touch the belt, clean it with isopropyl alcohol. Insert the black bushing. Insert the white bushing. Install the black plastic plate with the spring. Install the white plastic plate and the spring. Slide it in the correct position. Insert the wiper blade assembly in the pin. Insert the wiper blade in this position. Then join the two parts of the unit. Reinstall the screw of the wiper blade. Reinstall the fuse board. Install the sensor with the screws. Reinstall the cable. Insert the plastic part. Reinstall the metal plate. Insert the 3 screws. Install the other metal plate. Install the 3 screws. Install the toner collector with the 2 screws. Install the 2 springs of the wiper blade. Insert the plastic cover. Reinstall the 2 screws. And the work is done.